Hey guys, we're going to be comparing the 1080p video capture between the Nexus 5 and the HTC M8. The audio you're hearing is from the devices themselves. I'll have a little indicator somewhere in the video showing you which device you're listening to at the current time. And due to the fact that YouTube sort of butchers the quality of these videos, I am going to include some of the raw files in the description. I'll upload them to probably Google Drive or something, and you can download those files and view this footage uncompressed and unprocessed, which will give you a better idea of the quality of what these two devices can produce. It probably won't be this this massive long clip that I'm going to show you on YouTube, but it will be some segments from that, so yeah. The autofocus is set to on both these devices, so I'm not touching the screen to focus. We'll see how fast they can both autofocus. In terms of the specs, the Nexus 5 has an 8 megapixel camera, the HTC M8 has a 4 megapixel or 4 ultra pixel camera, so they're using pretty different technology there. Will be quite interesting to see the difference. As always with these videos guys, you will get a better comparison than what I'm seeing on the screens, because the screens are calibrated differently and you guys can see it all on one display, which is a better way to do it. From what I can see on the screens, you can definitely tell that the HTC M8 has a more saturated display. Looks a little bit sharper as well from what I'm seeing, but again, I do think that is just the display. It's a really nice display on the HTC M8. Nexus 5 has optical image stabilization, the M8 does not, so that's going to be again an interesting comparison. See if you can see a difference there. Focus on the HTC One seems quicker, but it also seems more twitchy, so it focuses more than the Nexus 5 does. Checking out some of these vibrant colours from these flowers. Look pretty good on both displays actually. Both of them look like they have pretty good colour reproduction. Again, the M8 does look like it's a tad bit more saturated. If I had to say something about the Nexus 5 screen, it does look a tad washed out next to the LCD3 screen of the M8, but only a tad. It's definitely not bad. Pretty gloomy day again in Britain. It was meant to be 18 degrees, but it's not. Seems lower than that to me. Nice fat cloud in the background as well. Just do a quick pan test here, see if we can see any drops in the frame rate. Nexus 5 did look like it was stammering a little bit more than the HTC One, but we'll have to see if that actually comes through on the video recording itself. Again, I'll just say the screen on the M8 just makes the image look better, so it looks like the video is better on the M8, but I'm pretty sure that is just the screen, so you guys will have to tell me which one you prefer out of these two. So there you go guys, let me know which one you think is better. Peace out.